everybody, this is Tony DeLigio with Plastics Technology Magazine. I'm here with Art Blake of Matsui, and we're going to be talking about their latest dryer and some of the improvements it made over the previous generation in terms of energy efficiency and other capabilities. So Art, maybe if you want to talk about what we've got here.
Sure, absolutely. So understanding previous dryers of Matsui kind of got us to this point. We have a self-control function that continuously monitors the system's, the unit's activity and operation, which has really helped kind of hone in on where we're using our energy and when we are using energy and so forth. So being able to shut that on and off when needed. If a project's down and the system doesn't need to be used anymore, the unit will shut down completely and kind of just idle. That was on its previous predecessor, and that had like more of an interval kind of idea with energy consumption, where this MJ6i now has more of a continuous energy savings effect. It's constant, so it's always being monitored continuously versus previous models. Being able to utilize a dual function heat exchanger that can save heat that is produced within the system and capture that in the regeneration zone of our rotor has really helped lower the energy consumption per unit of these dryers. And then something that's new to the MJ6i is the redesigned hopper body. It is now a little more narrow and longer than previous models. And by doing so, it has been able to eliminate the need for an aftercooler, a device that would normally take a lot of energy from the system. So we were able to ramp that down about a little less than 10% more than previous models. So we're teetering about 83% savings of energy consumption per unit. For dollars and cents, using the industry average of 15 cents per kilowatt an hour, you could save on this exact unit about $1,300 per year versus other dryers on the market.
And was there some customer feedback that led to the design changes? What were your customers looking for? What does the market kind of want from their dryers today?
Absolutely. So not only were we getting feedback from our customers, it's just kind of following the the market and what the needs of our customers are, the cost of energy consumption as a whole. Prices continue to rise, and that means our customers' bottom line. We're trying to work for them and provide services for them, and learning, where their energy bills are going or coming from, was very important in that. And so that was definitely a factor. And then obviously, our engineering and quality control and trial and error and things like that really got us to the point now. And for our next generation, probably even beyond that.
Okay. And then just in terms of overall functionality, obviously, need to be drying the resin. Did you see some improvements in the overall efficiency for drying and the ability to dry?
So the efficiency kind of stayed the same. We can dry resin in half the time of most of our competitors because of our industry-leading rotor that's inside. But as for the consumption, it really didn't change the drying times as much. We're still staying about half of what the industry resin manufacturers stated on their label.